Do you know it design le? It's a zoom in of our initial design. We had to like zoom in. Can you tell lapha kubhale Julu? Because you're creative, yeah, you do. But for some people who buy Julu, they've never understood ukuthi
Amabala lawo.
ibharishi yonke le is Julu.
Ita Kipati guys, producer wenu, producer is the TV Lenny Mtawani Spanda. So we happy this week we're working. Kesa Spana, ngabukela podcast lapho featuring umuntu Sevan. Spana guys, sikhuluma le team Juluka Striker. Siyabonga guys. These guys are amazing. And we are happy ukuthi sike Spana labo. Sawufaka podcast eJunza TV. And siyabonga eMatobo team.
Juluka.
Awe.
Drip Juluka. Bese ngiza ukucaphula nxa ngikhuluma ngedrip because ngiyakwazi why you called Juluka. Juluka is drip.
Yeah, you call me Juluka, you call Daniel Juluka. Daniel is a makeup artist. He's part of the co-founders of this brand.
Ugqoke i-t-shirt lama colors.
Yeah, I am a stripe lawana. Yeah, Tini Rainbow, you support it, bro. You may stink, but you can still come to the
The
party.
only rainbow I support is hotel lele.
Oh, I think even the LGBT say support, but singaba laba different views. We don't want to air them out because maybe ngeke understand them. Ngabantu bakamlimi kufana lami maybe ngenza okunye uNkulunkulu angakuthandiyo but singabantu sonke yabo. Explanation yangikhona I usually say you may stink but you can still come to the party.
Yes.
So ngabuyi ikhopha lakho linuka but nxa ukhona sizo the more the merrier sizokholisa but
I would like to apologize how I treat my gay friends. You're gay.
why
And they know it.
M2.
I've got so many gay friends that I tell them they're gay.
M2 ngicela unditostisa awufuni yours is pink. Yeah, why are you gay?
It's Women's Month and I'm drinking pink gin because I'm introducing a pink gin for my
Shout out to abo mamas. Hey, siyabanita siyabathanda kakhulu.
Shut up to my gay friends. But anyway, let's talk fashion. Funny we say,
Hey
Mdana,
bro, we
as
don't wanna
much
just
as
we don't wanna just talk fashion because Juluka is more broader than fashion. Juluka is a huge entity than that.
Oh, it's not just
bigger than
fashion.
Bangane, bigger than Daniel, bigger than Tabisi, bigger than Cray, bigger than all the other ones who believe in the same vision. But go on.
Actually, as long as you're Daniel.
Ngabhala u4 uyasiyangisa lapha sisemzini la why ubhala uX
Mnike nutshwala. Karai, why unganathi nje?
ngibesimnike lo
Hayi
Thatha.
natha iMatobo gin.
nampo lapha utshwala yibo voda bonatha
Singabe gazi vele siyashare.
by Madobo
Gin. Akudeep lokho.
sicela ungatshengisi Jack Daniel sicela utshengise Juluka at least because it's a Juluka episode. Show the camera Juluka.
Yeah, so right.
So right
Unathi
into
kakhulu awu press u record.
awe.
Kari producer. Mina sendidake utsho nomthe isho kanje Thombani ibizo. Oh, welcome to Creative Currency. Today we have Vangani in the show. Vangani, why are you gay?
I am not gay. This guy is capping. I'm not even gay. My
You know,
alcohol
gay.
is
Oh, going in Scotland means happy. But anyway, asekela ukudlala
Che.
ngejuluka.
iJuluka into esingayikhuluma iJuluka ngabantu abathanda kubo abantu bakobulawa sibathanda njani but
Now, my question
first and foremost ngeke uphonga uthanda umuntu ongamazi sibathanda ngoba bayasupport a lot but asiqalele phansi kanti wena why ufuna ukuyakha indlu ungafaka ngefoundation mntu
Mtali Foundation yafawa ngomajayivana kodwa.
yesh leli lize kalila mali
Atsho mlamu intelligent kodwa wazi. Nacanya amaphansi.
para abadala mina ngile kwali labadala ngutshela abadala babecabanga ukuthi kukhala idindindi ngutshele kibo kwakungani kuthiwa kukhala insimbi zezwane ngutshele kodwa remember lana wayeprofessor
Mdala wa professor.
yesha singakhuluma singangeni kakhulu khona la.
And but anyway, Mdala, the name Juluka, personally, it means a lot because Lami, I'm running a brand. Elebizo lesintu. So the question obvious: why Juluka? Why not Drip? Why not?
Because Matopo Chin is Matopo Chin because it resonates a lot with people who come from
From the
that region, Matopo. Chuluga is Chuluga because we wasn't gonna use Utrip because Tina were not from California. Esa Mr. Paspale 39 Veleke, Zutanya Lesa Kistu Paspale 18 because we Matopo.
By the way,
Singabantu balapha.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is a makeup artist. Why is he gay? But anyway, asingakhuluma. Nasingabantu balapha endule iPhone and iVP pema futhi. So
I've
he's
got
a
a
good
pink
DJ of ours. Yeah, he's a very good DJ of ours. So Uchuluga cause wasn't gonna use Drip.
Identity.
If I had said Drip ngani mntu wena Sazan. Because mina nisuka kachana khona ngale kase duze le range more ukuze ngizongena etown ngihlane lo mdu we came a long way take a long way yeah yabo
2018, my guy, you were saying. Yeah,
2018 that's when all the dreaming started dreaming yonke yaqala ngo-2018 but we got functional ngo-2022.
But really, is it really 2018 or it's always been there in you? 2018, ikela divana kona na machita. What no, we are starting this.
Yeah, according to God's plan, it's when
It was
we
the
met.
right time.
But yena uNkulunkulu ekuplana. I'm sure like wathi secreche eChaypurich but emathanjeni akhe uNkulunkulu yena wayesekulungisile ukuthi he's gonna meet bangane la uzabe bhede sithi hey your outfit is nice. Wena la kusasa ngimbone futhi ngithi shit you are really so smart about putting up indlela ogqoke ngayo but this is actually dope. Then that got us to be friends. Yeah, bueno. Then we had this vision of owning a streetwear brand. But at that time it was just owning a streetwear brand. But now it's owning. If we can own Bulawayo or on Zimbabwe, but Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe, or on the moon, or Elon Musk won't have anything on us. Anyway.
Do you know your brand is already international?
Yeah.
Like you were saying, my brand is already international, but
because you are part of it. Yeah.
Yes.
It's like you are consumed in this. Anything you are gonna say from now to you are biased towards whatever you believe in. Because Evisionate is saying we're in Paris in 2028, we are on the runway. People are saying, Julu, what does that mean? You know, Makosa recently was doing his Kotane on the runway, in New York.
Paris.
Yeah, bro. But
Paris, yes. It's not Paris. It's Paris.
Can I explain it? I might take 3 minutes to explain it.
Yes.
I kind of feel like it's not wrong. It's good because isikhothane zichitha ultra male sizibonile ngesikhathi kulamabhutshwa lan it explains a part of South in a way. South they used to have that culture and lapha sibe labo because thina silabana bathola end product of what's going on in SA. In as much as the house is one of our favorite currently from South and it's because we are one people.
Yes.
I'm going to explain okuningi but abantu abacomplainayo bathi ayisikho esikwenzayo essay kathesi but I like Laduma Maxhosa what he did. It's cool. It's like lathi kathesi was saying maybe we are visioning Juluka in Paris 2028 lingasithola sidlale usiqobhinqo on the runway
it's
udlalile usiqophini ngoboys ulungisile imoto yamawaye ngoboys
Boys.
he's telling a story of where we come from. It's not saying that's what we're doing in SA even now yabona. Yeah.
Just to add on your point,
Yeah.
and culture is not stagnant. Culture is ukuthi kumele sibe stuck between. Kathesi, yes, we have created our own culture. Okay, t-shirt culture. I had a conversation with one of my Harare guys, a city. When it comes to fashion, when it comes to clothing,
It's the
when
creative
it comes
hub.
to urban wear, and
It's the creative hub.
culture. It's not vibes. Understand?
It's the creative hub.
It's the creative. hub.
Bulawa is the
But
I still
T-shirt
stand
Bulawayo,
with that, yeah.
I'm a t-shirt of Bulawayo, and it's not vibes. You understand?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
culture. It's deeply rooted. That's why I want to eat Juluga can last for 10 years. But
Thank
utoti
you.
a
Shout out
t-shirt
to
from
that.
Harare,
Thank you for you
no, it's
manifesting
gonna last
that.
100
Yeah,
years.
yeah.
Like about Gucci.
Shout outs to you mtu.
Yeah, I want
Siyabonga lo tshwala lobe matopo even noma ungakhuluma ngawe na utshwala bematopo bu blind.
sebedakiwe sebekhuluma kuhle ngabancanywa lawo.
Khulumi. So khulumi nje. Ngiyadlala.
So I was saying Mdala, the difference ngathi labanye abantu, we create culture. That's why ngicela ukuthi culture is not stagnant.
Yeah.
Because ukuthi namhla sibe sidlala isichikicha silokhuza sithi culture yethu. I-culture nani yafika before sichikicha what was there?
But
There was
let's not lose that because there's some things that are going amiss because we've
Since like
lost
identity.
that identity yethu. What's our identity njengabantu? Lethwa ijuluka. Hey, I want to show it to the camera. If izamvumela camera. Le thwa ijuluka eyakobulawayo. If you can zoom in. Eyakobulawayo. Yabona? Yeah. It's because sisuka kobulawayo and the stories we are gonna so this is an is keeper is this t-shirt is a canvas. Actually, I wanna explain to you how we are going about with our business as Streetwear.
Yeah.
Our product at the moment that we are really like pushing is knitwear. It's corporate. You can use it when you're doing golfing, but
Let me show this.
yeah, you can show it to the camera. We are pushing.
I'm a golfer as well. By the way,
Oh,
when I
that's
was.
dope. Do you know why we have a lot of golfers amakhulu? It's because the golf ngaphezulu imidlalo ngabantu abalemkhaba, abantu abangantu abale bayadla mbijana yabona ngeke uyachaya golf. Ungumacakide njengathi. Ngiyadlala mina. Hayi ngiyadlala.
Sala bucho yami.
Yabo, but benza explainela ukuthi this one is to push that one.
That one.
The product is that one. This one is merchandise. It's more like when Kanye, it's more like when Black Coffee is going for a tour. Black Coffee is the product, but this is to support Black Coffee
yes,
the
there's
product.
a word you said.
Yeah.
Merchandise.
This is merchandise.
Merchandise. Yes, okay.
I like how
As-
peop-
as
I like how
classic
Bulawayo
about
people
what-
like our merchandise. It feels like they like our merchandise more than they like
The
the
brand.
product. The product.
This is the product. This is the
Yeah,
brand.
this is the
I
brand.
hate
A
to
lot.
call it a
That's the
product.
brand. A lot. Yeah.
Because Gatesi.
But it's cool. But it's cool because it's okay. Also, someone gets to know Chuluka through the merchandise.
merchandise.
Then they can say, "Oh, those ones are actually dope as well. I might wanna get that." It's a win-win situation.
Kule jegi.
And nganto umntu ukhona one friend bemfuna ukuthi akutshele. First time I saw this, I'm like, I've got a conversation when I when I hit you up on Graham Lapan, I'm like, vele lo mntu sake sakhuluma. Ngambuzani ngo.
Well,
I was like,
but Ngati the
I
best
really like
person
it.
to talk to
Yeah.
now.
no,
I
Ulen.
think I've been good ngakhono ukuthi Jay. You remember
You're
when
playing a part. You're playing a part. And mina lami lo mungabuya uzobuza ukuthi lapho kutholakala khona the best what? Oh, bro, what do I lose?
Kela ngiyabe ngikwazi I can provide that thing and but ngiyaware ngithi umjita bar is trying and what's the best thing to do? Umnike the best in the game ngathi.
Sasa awuse umuntu wamfaka on this. Sasa ungabona kule kit ejuluka maybe kule imprint ekamdala ekajeki. You will say they might not talk about it kusasa but Mina, my being there made them meet.
What you don't realize, Mdalan, it's not about
But
me
but
being
but
there,
but it's Lungu City. We don't do good for accolades, but we do good because we're good people.
We're good people.
So lo mungazi ungambongi, mina for me, mina as a person. Lo mungazi ungambonga, mina I'm okay. Ngisharp ngokuthi wena.
into leyana
la ube.
uyinike ngenhliziyo. You understand?
But
Like I was saying,
iyathi
I was
siba
saying
lutshwana
that-
ngoba sesiku AI kathesi.
You know,
So, yeah.
you know what I was saying, and ukuthi you might not mention me, and angilandaba, but what you don't realize, and besiyazana si 2-1, but sesiyazana si 3. You understand?
Sasa siyazana
Lo uyele
singo 4.
something, when uyele something,
Singakhulumi something low where laba yi2. Laba bayi2 labo. Sebengatshela abangu3. Then abangu3
Networking.
sebengatshela abangu16.
networking in motion. Hayiskiwa nyesazi.
Andoda lami ngiyazama.
Sijabula.
Ndoda wambona
Talk
abo umuntu
about
oleziqenqa
you,
uthi
Dala.
esikhiwa wena.
Ndoda.
Wena qala ngami. Ngiyadla. Siyafana.
Mdala, talking about you, we've had so many conversations, and I realized you're a very spiritual person, Mdala.
Yeah,
Like-
I am.
Nzakubuza a tricky question.
It's very tricky. If it's so
What-
tricky for me, I'm very smart. I know myself.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
very
a good
smart.
question.
I'm very smart. I might balekela it in a smart way though. All
But
right.
mina ngiyakunyenyela
All
ngubani
right,
futhi.
umbuzo.
From the time you started up to now, what have you seen? What kept you ukuthi upushe? Nyakwazi le imali mdala. There was a time uthi lali tuna anti kungela cent. And nyakwazi lali amateka ngcolile. Lali guess amateka ngcolile.
Shout out to Juluka Sneaker Care.
You understand? Like
Yeah.
what really kept you going? You know when you okay, win or lose, I'm doing this.
It kept me going because I'm still going.
Mdala sufikile according to
Yeah, it's according
because
to
from
you.
this
'cause
episode,
already-
Mdala,
yeah.
this is a 10 t-shirts.
Shout out to Matopo Jean. Matopo Jean sicela nilibuye. Next year we were there by Matopo Jean. This year actually. Matopo Jean ngiyethu bantu hey. Asazi kumbe lifuna ukuya ku Mzembira.
Where's you being a minor? Auntie was here we mine and travel.
Around
Around
the same time I mine interests ayibona nje ngiye ku Mzembira ngiye Matopo Jean. Alright.
Ajola bomne.
Into engayikhuluma kakhulu into engathi what's kept us going. We first and foremost I like to give a big shout out to my team, our team.
With Daniel,
I'm with
what
Daniel. Daniel is I don't know ngathi ngomunye wabantu bakhona.
Creative
Sibaningi
director.
we're like 8, like the whole team were like 8.
Mne imazi uphela ngu
Daniel lo Budonsundu, yeah.
Oh,
But
Budonsundu.
he's our creative
DJ
director.
Onsundu.
But mina in everything I'm there. Even though it's no, but if maybe we tweak this in this
But
way.
if I don't know what's your role Chomla.
I mean I'm an artist, ngingumuntu kaNkulunkulu, umuntu akaJesu.
Nangani ngichomo natutshwala.
And
Ngiyabona
ngiyakuthanda.
Chomla athi ngayikhona
Thanda.
alichaza.
Thanda. But I ntanda lo nkulunkulu more than bona because ngizabuchiya ngomunye
Because
umnyaka.
we're spiritual.
Ngomunye umnyaka
Anything
ngizabuchiya.
else.
But what has kept us like going for all this time? Ekuqaliseni I thought it's my knowledge. I thought it's guys, let's do this, and if they don't do it, I'm mad at them, but at the same time I realized that same thing I was talking about of catching up.
Yes.
They still haven't caught up to the bigger picture that we have. Maybe they don't like see it the way I view it. But I'm not a Messiah. Hey, Messiah Silewan. Or maybe Muhammad Messiah like Sambala. But it was more about there's a light. We're getting compliments. There's someone who goes to him and say, you guys are big. You are saying we're big, but me, I don't think we're. To where we think we wanna go, I feel like it's okay. It's good. Because you really need to take some time and be like, shit, we've really worked, ne? But according to you and division, when we are bulan.
Yabona bangana nti I always say growth never stops. You understand? Even Black Coffee where he is. You understand? That's why you get guys like Elon Musk. Look be spanner, be innovative more and more because growth never stops.
Yeah,
You
that's my
understand?
point. That's my point.
To me
But-
already, and to me already, I see a big. You see, the fact that you come up with such a thing, Mdala. I mean, personally, I can't do this. I can make music, but I can't do
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
You know what it means to me?
Yeah.
Coming to you and keep up, beat $30, beat $50, beat $100 and
Yeah.
you know what it means?
Yeah.
I believe in you. I trust your product.
Yeah,
You
it's like
understand?
me paying for a show. Shout outs to Peggy Yinde. Ngu Night Freak in support to Night Freak. It's because I
Lunch on there?
believe he's Night Freak because he's Night Freak.
Yes.
I get you. Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So now it's not about Uti, what do you want to reach. It's about Uti mbano kanyeleyo Gates. Gates, I can afford your t-shirt but ikusasa when it becomes 1,000.
No,
never
never
I
mahara
afford.
mtu.
But ukhona
No, never mahara
afford,
mtu.
I understand.
Mtu nyane mahara at that time.
Ah,
Ngicela ugcina alright lokho.
ngiyayithenga,
Ngicela
mdala. Nami
ugcina.
ngiyabe sengiyi-talks.
Ngicela ugcine lokho.
Lami
Yeah, wena
yasengi-
usuzusale. Shout out to that. Why wena ufuna ukusala? Why
Lami
ufuna
yasengi
ukusala?
talks, you
Why
understand?
ufuna
Because
ukusala?
we are moving.
Yeah.
That's why I say growth never stops. That's
Yeah.
why I said culture is not stagnant.
Yeah.
You know what it means?
Yeah.
Culture evolves.
But what has
but
kept us?
inspired.
What has kept us coming? Let me tell you a story. How we started. I'll be very brief. Which is because we're having these so profound conversations. We've done interviews before, but a lot of these things we've not like talked about. But let me just go through. 2018, Singamachita, we've got the same visions. Funungwenza something.
As Tune
As Tune and Magents, we did with this sick and tired. It was sick and tired because we were sick and tired of the political and economic situation we have in this country. It's fucked up for us. Abafana besintwini, believer, you can be a person in this world. La uvela kobulawa la uhlale kasi kodwa mina ngihlale kasi mina ngikhulele eBenside emqabuko right
Alo
so
kakhulu
wait
la It's called Burnside.
ngicela
It's burn.
ngicela
Kulo R lapha.
ngikhulumele eBenside wait then we push, but we didn't push because we were doing samples at that time. It was more like meditating, trying out this and that. We get inspiration from people in the States, Britain, everywhere. They're doing the same thing we wanna do, but they've got the resources. But in Blawa, Indian shop, asking material. I see you see Funa is not the
What, you
perfect
want my
material.
friend?
Baba, I'm doing a brief background
sorry,
company.
sorry.
Ngicela ungamphambanisi. All right.
Why are you gay?
It's not gay this one. I've been with him for some time. It's not gay this one. Fast forward 20 Nangukwecha, you're right. I went out of the town. Basala when a town they were doing whatever they were doing. Then I came back in 2020, 2021. Whatever brings us together again, we still talk about the same things. Oh, so this thing we really need to put like our thoughts into it. Since then, Kube in motion, Kube actually, in as much as we can meditate, you really need to put action into it, and you really need to sow and have results from whatever we are like talking about. So, 2021, 2022, I had this span where a contract there, Vumba, then I contract on Ale, then 2022. I'm like, shit. Let's really like put this into life.
Into motion.
Let's put this into motion. Then, ama-ideas silawo sizafuna iskip esinje sibelane, but iskip alesi sinje asilabizo now because we're now grown up from 2018 to 2022. We can't be still
That's like
talking
4 years.
about. We can't be still talking about being sick and tired. We're now grown ups. We now need to come with a brand name, which is gonna be liked by people and so on and so on and so forth and so forth. Iminyaka ilandele. Bethanda the same name, yabo.
Yeah.
So, back in 2018, 2019, me and my friends, like abanye ngilabo, besides this friend group, we had iname esasizibiza lona singasichillile sisodwa.
Mvubalazi.
Nxa singene.
Mvubalazi.
Ujuluka yena lo. So then I'm like, we can really use that name because at that time we could do me dripper wearing nice. Dripping. dripping. But drip we cannot use drip now because even at that time we didn't use drip because drip ngowabalungu. Mina ngaba thina singaba drip. Atlanta, someone they have got a brand called Drip. So mina ngaba drip bese mfaka drip lwana in the world is a one atmosphere, one space now because of social media. So singapost into city drip, they won't understand. Tina singabafana bakobulawa. So
10,000 probably people.
So Chuluga is our name.
Sounds
but
unique.
it talks about wearing nice because Tina, what brings us together, so okay, it's check out this outfit. With the camera, but if you think about it, if you alright, ngicela ubuye nje 2 seconds. Ngicela ubuye uthethe ikamera la. Ngicela ubuye. Ye Grand Peaks, ye t-shirt ye Grand Peaks, lan but check this outfit.
Kita check.
Check this outfit. Yabo, we are about looking nice.
Yes.
Yabo,
Image.
that's Chuluga. And singathi Chuluga, sikhulume lo muntu akobulayo sithi Chuluga. It's a lot of things we can talk about. Uzo Chuluga uchova ibhasikili imbombela yakho buyele eKasi uvela Spane industry. Uzo Chuluga, uChuluga iziginqo zokuthi ube yiswi.
Uvele kuyahasla.
Ulalo udlile.
No.
You get it?
You talked about uthi khangela image lane.
That's the second Chuluga I'm gonna explain. Khuluma uthi.
Awuhlungene mdala.
It's a volcano and it's dripping. Lava. But now this talks about our story. Why is it the volcano yabesta then chitheka lava? Lava like laphana ngutshele ngelava. Lava is whoever still hasn't gotten a Chuluga piece, they are still gonna catch up. Lava loma ichitheka from a volcano ayifiki go the lowest point the same day. No, not the same ingawoma engakafiki, but eza kuyafika it's still gonna reach them. They are gonna catch up.
Yes.
So lava is still.
Can I interpret it in my own way?
Yeah, bro, you're an artist. Take it your own way. Yeah,
to me, when you say Chuluga,
yeah,
before an artist, okay, I'm an artist first, then I'm a hustler, I'm a businessman. You understand?
Yeah. There's a lot we've done.
Chuluga, brah. To me, story so hustler, brah.
Lenye into enjalo uyikhuluma like you said I'm spiritual. Qedisa bese ngutshela.
Uchomlo is like
Hibiri habaraba.
You understand? When you talk of Chuluga, brah, it's all about the hustle. And in also in lava mdala, a volcano can stay dominant for eons of years. But relo kuza corner, erupta corner mdala. Do you know I feel the presence here? And we've got volcanic mountains in Zim. Just a fun fact.
Omunye wathwele diesel le sihlupha kathesi. Sorry because I'm political as well, but I don't want to hold a space in the political arena.
Inyanga on its own, that's a volcanic mountain, and us.
Yeah, no.
So we've got a dominant.
Maybe so labazulu bethu.
Nah, 3,000 and something. I'm at 2,000 say I paid them.
But in 3,000 and something yangasela oxygen. Oxygen yabikhona yabe ile maybe yastore or something.
Yeah.
Because I'm a movie they prophesy these things. Eh?
You all learn it, Dan?
No, I study lapha ngikhona emhlabeni. All right, got this. Check. Why check? Why check? Hey, check. Do you know why
this is gay. Definition. Friend, companion, close associate. Example sentence. What's up, Jane? Informal term for friend. Expression of solidarity or shared identity. Among Bulawa and Matebeleland residents.
Bamberina Tagi. Utseki ngumna akatseko. Qedisa check. Ungaphumi check. Uyaririma check azothi ayikuririma ikwenzani? Isitimela sisesporweni siphume esichaya ngenyawo sesigijima phansi. Yiko sukwenza. Alright, that's quite. Shout out to Matopo Chin again.
Ulo uboss wethu uthe singanathi lo but mina guys. Abe George Pese. Smooth yazi. Ayikushaqisa ubuso. Awube movie.
But shout out to Matopo Chin. Lo mangaqeda iclass. But ngiyaqeda i2. But ngiyaqeda i2.
Boss wami uzangixolela but I couldn't resist. Phela thina sile police uthi singanathi emsebenzini but nxa ngithola ichance.
Let's go on with whatever we're doing, my brother.
Trip Juluka.
Aware.
Okay. Kulento emfunga ukubuza yona but it's a bit controversial.
Kungaba controversial thina nje
Yes,
singamarod. Yabona igundwane leli.
Shut up.
Yabona leli igundwane. Lithi ngilirod mina.
Lirod.
Noma bengamfaka oGrey kusasa bayangikhipha. Bayabona ukuthi lo is just floating.
A producer. Like what's our limit ngokulokhuza? Chawe ngokukhuluma iVulgar. Asila limit.
Thina kodwa sikhuluma inhla. Mina ngikhuluma inhlamba ngumuntu ka mina ngikhuluma inhlamba mina ngumuntu ka.
Lo muntu othe ijuluka uniform eyifebe.
Man
No, I'm not saying in
a
bad way. Mfuna understand that it seems like amajita lawa nathandwa ngabafazi anti bagqoka ijuluka.
Oyifebe zangikhona.
Ama-birdie.
Amajita yiwathandwa ngamabhedi kumbe amabhedi yiwagqoka ejuluka. Ifebe izipla.
Amajita ayifebe.
Yagqoka ejuluka.
Agqoka ijuluka.
So athandwa because agqoka ejuluka or
But nje amajita agqoka ejuluka amajita afebenzayo anti was working men.
But mina ngcono ngigqoka ejulu ngaphandle kwe-cap play today. One of one. Sweat for it because you have to sweat for whatever you want. Uyabona empilweni le mntu ungayidinga inyoka putas. You have to sweat for whatever you want to get in this life. Ungafuna ukuthi ukuthole ungaginqela. Even yabona iBhayibheli liyatsho ukuthi uzadla kwezithukuthuku zakho. Lawa ngamazwi ayetshelwa uthambani lo wayelo mfazi lo warojwa inyoka lo thambani member lo wayeseBhayibhelini lo Adamski. Kwathiwa wena uzadla okwezithukuthuku zakho.
Uzawusebenza umhlabathi.
So izithukuthuku yilesana sithi sweat.
Kulolu yi1 abaluvalayo manje eBhayibhelini. Olwayisebenzela isweat yalanti. Lolu khombisa.
But he sweat for it ne. But as mina madoda eBhayibhelini there's one guy is man inspiration to me ne. uJesu sesesiphambaneni kwaba lo munye umjida otricky ngesitsotsi lokurida wayeseceleni ukamsindisi nje warida ukuthi umember lo ukhuluma inja ngomsindisi kodwa lo ungangale but mina ngacompliment umjida lo
nyawina
la kanye nje intambama kwathi awina intambama sabe sisonke endlini kade yamalami kodwa yena wayesegwaza gwaziwe ebulalela ubusela
lo repenta kwamba
but did he sweat for it ukuyezulile
timing like okay talking about timing and I earlier on I said
no but that was deliberate for us to understand the story ukuthi even lo mphangi uJesu indlela aphendu alenhliziyo ephenduka ngayo uyazwela lo mphangi but I'm just saying lapha sesianalyze ngengqondo zethu lathi
yes team dala nice you say that auntie unika ama marks dala 2025 was a defining moment kobulawayo you know we had big events like abo Garden of House okay angeke ngiexclude yethu let Matopo Chin Fair
sabe sikhona Matopo
and you guys you were there
sabe sikhona Matopo this si sponsor was sponsoring Matopo Chin yadlala sabe sikhona Matopo Chin Matopo Chin
so talk about timing and umjide sipapumbanweni wacha timing imdala what but it's now or never and what I feel like that's what you guys did. Level not okay, so kuvulekile mdala. Ama local brands they're really rising. Why not step in?
Yeah.
So talk about timing. Zabulali timing. Anyway, next topic. Karucho must dilutela yonga.
Sizambona lo mntu wena mele umbuze imbuzo yonke because maybe lapha ngikhona. Ngiyaze ngebe khona next year.
Ya wena ngiyakubiza vele
next year.
Wena vele yafunakala la. One thing I want to understand ukuthi yes ijuluka sikhona Ijuluka sile foundation, ijuluka sile stepping.
Oh, what's there for us this year?
Man.
Yeah.
No, it's not even that.
Yeah.
Sile stepping and this stepping yenu yakhanya lize le Harare. You remember the Garden of House?
Yeah.
You met a guy apparently.
Yeah.
Well, we fashion show like
Yeah.
Just give us just a bit of insight. Like
Oh yeah, actually, you're talking about. I think we talked about this offline, but yeah,
Offline,
let me put it like Sihambe Harare for an event called the Fabric Party. Event yama creatives. Because that is a
What do you
creative. Not good is creative, but it's a creative. The reception we got from there
was massive.
it was massive. It's part of what I was trying to explain lapana ngikhuluma ngokuthi what has made us come this far. Besides, yazi i-drive yaphela. Uyakwanisa uvule isport sama-chips kodwa ama-chips angikhona ugcine uthengise kuphela maybe 500 units then sudinwa sokusiba lama-setbacks London. But the reception we got there, it was a week before Garden of Hours. When we went for Garden of Hours, of course we made sales, but the sales were made the previous week. That event had people like from around the world. Am I right? Labanya abavele Belgiums, labanya abavela ngaphi ngabelungu, they came for the Fabric Party. But when they came to our stall and how I can sell the brand, I'm not saying I don't want to give credit to that. But how also he can talk to someone and
Daniel.
make them believe or mtabisi, yabo. It was something massive. The sales we made on that day said, yeah, we really a thing engangena la go space less is some brands like in the world, not just Bulawayo and Harare, but yeah. So just that Loma singaba le setback now engasenza sifuna ukukhalala. I know like in the back of his mind is like
no,
ukhalala wena uyanya.
We talk about this uthi kulomsebenzi osebenzayo lo msebenzi othandayo.
Yeah,
you understand?
Yeah.
Umsebenzi there's so many jobs. Mina I'm fortunate enough ukuthi umsebenzi engwenzayo kathe santi. It's what ngike ngafunda esikole at the same time ngiyakuthanda because ukupheka utshwala. Anyway.
That's me with ubugweja.
You understand?
Ubugweja ngibuthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke.
Now my heart.
But ngeke ngene emgodini ngasoze ngithola imali though, but impahla ngiyazithanda. Impahla ngiyazithanda. Impahla ngiyazithanda. Sicela isotele phela even ubaqhubele ngewin besotele. Yeah. Koselamba uchumlo. Khanya ngani uphila ngediesel.
Boss, you forgive me. Thanks for sponsoring this program.
Hey guys, lapha Comrades Distillery bayadakisa. Into ewane ngalitshela yona. Abaqambi amanga. Wena ngabona unathi njengo wena etown. Thina siyazele egangeni njengo. Alright, sweet.
By the way, mina yimi ngedumnto ngelasone emhlabeni anzake ngone.
Bathi thwalo ngelasono kabuya amkhombela athi lo ulezono. Yena nxa engelasono abuya athi lo ulezono ebesemchaya ngezitina mbulala. Yeah.
Yazi it's weird ukuthi siyaphila empilweni but there's things that are happening around us that affect our everyday life. Now that if you will see $2 something against ama t-shirt eswathengisayo.
Ama t-shirts omela kwela.
That's my question actually. Do you think somela kwele umbe because it's lobuntu?
So thina siyadla ubuntu. I don't know. It's a story for another day.
You see why I'm approaching internally. I want people to understand what consistency is. For example, people back in Juluka, obvious the question they have: how much is this? How much is this? How much is this? How much is sweat for it?
Yeah, the match is going for 25 because it's supporting the golfer. The golfer is going for 30
bucks,
and the caps are going for 20. There's a reason why we charged this amount.
Don't explain.
Look, I'm explain but ngikhulumela labana abajele ukuthi
Just why is it you don't explain?
iyadura. I know ayiduri. Angitsho futhi ukuthi wena awusiyo i-target market. Uyi-target market but maybe not today, but kusasa uza catch up.
So explain ile kade ngikubalekela target market.
You are our target market.
Yakhumbula
Wait,
sithi-
ufuna uexplainela into ade uyibuza cause mina I don't like to say I'm smart but I believe I'm smart.
You are.
Yeah.
Because you drink
Because
you're
of
smart.
ukuthi kuhamba njani ukuthi sizatshintsha. I don't know. I don't really know. It would depend on ukuthi the people who support us, who've like grown us to where we are. You consider us as a big brand now.
You are.
You can put us same lelinye brand maybe ngofethu lan you can say I can say I cannot wear fethu away Julu. It would depend on are the people who really support us in line with i-price esifakile bangayikwanisa yini because sesingabafakela sithi kade ifele ukuthi sigade sibuye eTaiwan sizolungisa izikipa yadura so we wanna charge 45 but if labo ukuthi begade bebuye eTaiwan bezothenga iskipa kubadurela we are going to morph, we are a sponge when it comes into that. We are going to morph into the system and find our place. But more important is not the business aspect of it. It's about product. We are still yet, like you asked lapano ukuthi ngo 2026 silani hey kunengi
And angikuzanga direct.
kunengi
But
and
but
okunye akukaphumi and
let me
yeah.
use myself as an example in the case study. And
yeah
there was a time when I keep an EP and I said there's only 10 copies. And I'm 10 copies. And unfortunately, I'm going vinyl. And
it was gonna be dope.
yes, that was my idea. But I'm a CD and already USB had taken over. I was selling that EP for $100 and I sold all the 10 copies. I take studio equipment.
And you got 8,000.
Recently in release amaqaqa.
So ayakalalelwa ngabantu.
My qaqa t-shirt.
Ayakalalelwa ngabantu.
Abayitholayo bahle bayithola. It was their collective. I never released it.
Okay.
You understand?
Ngicobuzza something njengoba wena ukhuluma and wena ngithandela ukuthi ngani sonke siyafanana understand izinto. Do you think you can buy a Juluka piece or you can buy something by Juluka that you are gonna keep for your great grandchild to find and say, my dad or
For
my great
$500,
granddad?
yes.
But if you're gonna buy it for 30, you won't buy it because you won't value it as something.
It won't be a collector's item.
You are a collector. No stop.
You understand?
Yeah, we collect. We collect.
understand?
Because you understand
I'm
the concept
selling
of collector.
I have a qaqa collection, auntie. Qaqa, I'm selling it. Leni yakumla nje sithi qaqa lami limalini. Ask him.
How much? How much? 100. Cela ukuyibona iqaqa.
You won't see it.
Ayikaphumi.
Ungabe uthole 100 and I'll show you. Ile skunk.
Wenuka nje iqaqa like iqaqa the real qaqa.
Perfume yesintu.
Aye.
Now the
Touch my
idea
plug.
is, you see how many people have told me bullshit. That I only a t-shirt $100, but someone who affords.
No,
Someone who
but now
believes in
for you pricing it, is it about what you put into it, or it's about the sentimental value that it holds to you as the creative?
As a
Is it
creative.
about because we're selling this for 25, but it's not worth 25. I really believe it's more than that, but
It is.
it is. But we're selling it for 25. There's a reason why we're selling it for 25. Because Chuluka, we're the new guy. We want you guys to have it. Lonke libe la igcwale ispread. So if we're gonna sell it for 30, it won't spread. It's over the elite few, but the elite few is not the masses. Yabo. Yi point yam. Umbuzo wami uthi, is it about the product itself for you to have it $100 exclusively $100, or it's about because your creative DNA on that, it might only just happen only these ones. So you get it? Do you get what I'm asking?
Yes, I get what you're
Yeah,
asking.
yeah.
To answer you, Nzago answer Guniga an example from an artist who's based in Paris. It's not about a product, it's not about a value, it's not about inputs, it's about positioning. Now, ungahambe substation and uyelalela uPavarotti. Pavarotti does classic music orchestra.
No, Pavarotti, shit. Damn.
You understand?
Shout out to you.
Ungalalela uPavarotti
I
substation.
know Pavarotti.
Yabujikela malini? Ongama pounds nje few. But ungambe auditorium and uyelalela uPavarotti. You're paying a ticket of 18,000.
So it's
about
part of the
positioning.
auditorium people.
Yes. I-life flame dollar as much as we can argue.
But
ngakati.
will capitalism with it?
No, it's not
When you're now
capitalism.
say- when
Dad.
you're now saying you pay 18K
K.
for an artist you can pay R2 to listen to.
Yes,
Now there's capitalism with it. I'm right.
No, it's not money laundering.
Shout outs
I'm
to
telling
you,
that-
man. Shout outs to you, man. You are the big guy in this room.
No, listen, Dala. Listen,
Yeah.
Dala. Let me give you an example. Okay, in Zakambamanya brands. It's Chale market imalini.
idola ndesinengu lesitshalo ngasithenga ku-8th Avenue.
But at the power imalini.
Esebhawari bayahlanya bawunika inyama engavuthwanga bekuthengisele nge-$40. Hey baba, we go on dates thina singomlava phela. We love this.
Positioning,
songs,
bruh.
yeah.
You know, yes, we into the bad part ngathi we've got all this knowledge and you can choose ukuthi check it. This is premium, bruh. I can play golf wearing this. Understand? And
We are corporate with this.
mina nxa ngidlala igolf and I'll buy this for 1,000.
Yeah, because
Podcast, but you know, I feel like there's this thing essenzakala. There is luxury goods, luxury products, luxury brands that are not even luxurious. The only luxurious in the chain which were never expensive. Yeah,
but the product is not the. You now get my
let's look
point.
at the
You now
contradiction
get
on
my
that.
point. Do you know ngikhulume kakhulu about the product because the product yiyo for us as creatives yiyo edetermine. Yabona mntu wathengisa ama-CD angu-10 each 800.
800.
But someone maybe has got a view ukuthi I saw the scrap nge-100.
It's
Get my
true.
point?
Yes, I get
The
your
product
point.
they didn't feel it worth 100. That's what I was asking Guti.
Can I
It's
give
$50.
you a brutal example?
Yeah.
Sorry to say about this ngamanye ama-brand
Ngicela ukuthi nxa ubiza amanye ama-brand
international.
Twa ama-podcast ajayele ubhala ukuthi his views alone.
Yes,
ne?
yes, it's my view.
It's not.
It's my view.
Yeah.
Yes,
I'm not saying we're good with these other brands, but we choose not to comment on other things.
on
yeah.
other things.
Yeah.
Okay.
But maybe
There is
we're
an
good.
international brand, all right?
Yeah.
I won't mention its name, and it's got a big MAC. You understand? It's a crappy burger, but the burger engindla kokhaya is nicer than that one. But because it's a big brand, you understand? It's more expensive than Liana Eagiti Yagokhaya.
You are right.
But
by
Yagokhaya imnandi.
But you are right by saying because it's a big brand. Now you explain positioning, like
Yes.
you had said.
You understand?
Yeah.
When a man's airport wathenga malini. Emqabuko
Mina
khona.
vela ngiwathenga we-airport nisuka nithwela wami
It's
ngwanathi
expensive,
senze airport.
It's position.
But it's not like sengake ngafika e-airport. Kathi e-airport kungaphi vele? Kungaphi? Kungale ungadlula embundana. Kunganga. Oh,
Yawona ungaphuma uRobert Mgaba uhambe straight.
oh uphuma uRobert Mkabe. Mina sengajayela uhamba ngemango le ukuthi uyabusiya.
Bangani. Do you know how much Zambezi is in America? Solusifo.
Lapha ematopojini kayivalwe ematopojini.
Do you know how much Zambezi is?
Maybe
in
say
America?
$5 or $7.
No, it's 15.
A1 engasoze nidake.
Idambi, that dambi.
Engasoze nidake lokumphikisa.
But lapho imalini mdala.
Lapha ndoda vele sithenga ngedola kumbe $50.
You understand? It all
Kunjalo.
goes back to positioning. Imalini rainbow check Zambezi that dambi. And also zibone ema shop.
But irembo yazithengwa ngobani? Ngabantu abale center. So is position lapho kulabantu abale center. So ejulu ungayithola sithengiswa sentini. it's because his position endaweni elabantu abaleseni sesidlule ku-positioning mntu ufuna ukumbuza ni lamhla
Acho mina ngubuze sisi ungxoxo 99.
oh ingxoxo
99.
ingxoxo le right sicelana ukuthi sike sixoxe ngabo sis and siyabathanda and it's their month and we wanna give a big shout out to them. I wanna give a big shout out to
shut up.
bonke abafazi esengingahlangana labo elifini yami ngikhuluma ngomama wami lesithando sami laso kathesi phambili ngabo
Phela mina
ngiyabavotela mina ngo 2026 siyavota 2026 ngizavotela bona
2028.
ngo 2030 ngiyavotela bona
Yes, life lay.
ngiyabavotela ngo
But
2030
bangani, let's not drift away from our topics. Space aneka kakhulu.
and the very
One thing I want to know. One thing, and it's the most important thing.
yeah
You have done events. You're selling merch.
Yeah.
Sike sakhuluma ngokuthi indawo elekiyo saying you want to move from underground to above ground.
no I said it's
Wait,
that's
wait,
a metaphor.
It's a metaphor.
Maybe you wanna move out mentally but you wanna move out.
Understand?
Really what we're talking about when we say you wanna move out from the basement, you wanna move out ipokoto lethu mele liphume e-basement but sesingayana lokho ese-basement physically yeah.
With all that being said, Mdaland, what moves have you taken ukuthi I don't wanna put Harare as a benchmark, but what moves have you taken ukuthi now I can confidently sell my product in America, in Canada, in Australia, in the UK? The reason why in Mama country because we have the largest concentration of our own people and Juluga. Because ngasingale, mina I've been there. Ngasingale mdala kula shona kula Ndebele.
sonke
SingamaZimbabwe.
ngamazimbabwe and ngale
Singa-
ngase
Yasi,
siyathandana
ama-South African-
ngale ngeke undithole mina ngise UK
ama-Zambians
ngithi
siyathandana,
lo yanya
understand?
lo ngwemandebele naye because singabantu abayi-one
Singabe Southern Africa. Yakwazi khonokho. Je wena we-South sharp ungumkhaya, you understand?
yeah mkhaya
So what moves have you taken ukuthi lifike ngale umbe lifuna uncedo lwami njengochomo blind?
siyalonedwa uncedo lwakho first and foremost siluthanda
$2
kakhulu
per
siyalufuna alright sesilo mduku 7
$3 actually, which is 10%,
ekampanini iboard yejuluka makes umdu and these other guys alright hey we have a board though Loma Basement we have a board we're a company it's actually well structured and all if you wanna come and money launder through us come through.
And that's my next question.
I'm joking.
Anyway,
I'm joking. We wanna stay authentic to what we believe in. What brings us mostly is not the business; it's the beliefs and the vision that we have. If you wanna come and
Culture.
clean your money through us, yes, you can come.
Culture.
Maybe we can clean, but we cannot. We're tied to the vision.
to the vision.
Yeah.
And you know what that is? It's culture.
That's
Creating a
culture. But I'm not saying we're culture. Culture can be anything, but Tina, we're part of whatever is going on.
Because you know what survive? Because wearing a Juliga t-shirt is a culture.
Yeah, anti kodwa lithengi amadoda abafebenza.
Nah,
So i-culture right
those are-
yamadoda
those are-
afebenzayo.
Those are street
So bengifuna uphendula onombuzo wakho ubuza ukuthini? Sukhohliwe mntu.
Sewulahlekile.
Kodwa unathi utshwala wona sukhohliwe.
Besithi after all has been okay man, let me simplify. After all has been said, London. Yipi step elithatha ukuthi sifake le ngangale ma-Western.
Mntu sike saba le offline conversation where I was talking about Tina we are pushing it to the limit. There's a song I like by Okema Lumkoket. It talks about pushing it to the limit.
To the limit.
The limit is where your stretch or where when your potential yonke can go. Tina we've been in as much as you can call it consistency, whatever we've been doing, pulling up to events, you say you come through, we push for you ama-tickets, ukuthi la uthola abantu abaningi abathenga ama-tickets, we come through, we sell our merch. In as much as it's your event, Tina, it's a platform for us. It's a canvas for us to show our product. We've been doing those things. We've been so loyal to those things. Ukuyala lokho push to the limit. The limit, I mean, Loma, let's say mfuna ukachana like 100 meters from me, mfuna ukujikijela eMbokodo. All the effort I can put ukuthi iMbokodo lana izofika kuwe. That's me pushing it to the limit. So
But-
yeah, we've been just pushing it to the limit.
But just to give you inspiration
and if people like whatever we're doing, it means our pushing it to the limit. We have to do it more and more and more and more and more. Yeah.
But just to give you inspiration, and there is no limit.
I used
That's
to say
why
I used to say the sky is the limit, but I don't think that no more. Because Elon is even talking about life in the moon now. So people, if
Mars.
people are gonna go to the
Mars.
moon or
The
the
moon is
Mars
a-
and
is
circle
Mars.
in the Mars, it means there's no limit.
There's
for
no
humans.
limit, and but with all being said, and I love your brand personally. You understand?
I hope someone
not
who,
being
I hope
biased.
someone who likes Mdu is gonna like Chuluka as well.
Not me being biased, and but me being honest. Uti, this is a unique product. It's not your everyday T-shirt. It's not your everyday T-shirt. It's something that I can't walk to any shop needing. It's something uti I
You
have
can
to
walk to
look
some
for
shop
you.
and get it.
No, I can't do that.
Alright.
But nyaben no, what I'm saying,
I get
I see
you.
uti
Hey man,
there's
I'm
many
messing around.
boutiques-
I'm messing around. Hey,
Asilu.
explain Asilu.
Estations can go.
Nxa kuyikula phela.
As many boutiques are and for any
But
boutique-
izabakhona e-Edgars bengavuma ukuthiwa iku-diffuser from their beliefs and wanna work with the people who are really in the streets and like people in the streets like them.
So my guy, we've talked a lot, Chomlami, and nyawasti I can tell ulento eziningi ofuna
Mina
ukuzikhuluma.
not lokuthi ngifuna uzikhuluma uzazibuza zonke ngiyaziphendula
Hhayi, mina
but
ngikubuza
ngiyaziphendula
lapho
broadly.
Because mina ngizakubuza for 2 days non-stop.
And
Because
wena uphumule ka.
and amphumule Chomlami. That's the product le mdala. One thing I liked about you guys, it's you're the only guys who dared to be different. Mina katesi I can wake up and print a t-shirt. Uthola ukuthi ndama numbers ku TikTok and make it big. But bra, this is unique. That is unique.
Yeah, thanks
I'm
to
not counting because there's a
Thank you.
difference between a product and merchandise.
Thank you.
As an artist, and ngingaba le merchandise ukuthi when I go to a gig and print ama t-shirt okujikijela abantu. But ngibe le product that's solid, ele foundation ukuthi I'm selling this. You
Thank
understand?
you. Yeah.
How is the environment treating you? Ukuthi you've got a different product. Are people shunning the product or people they actually understand your vision?
I like to believe abantu aba understand the vision. Abantu asebe understand. Asebethole a glimpse of what we have for the vision or a conversation or me trying to convince that person to understand ukuthi thina about this because misconceptions are always there but
Yes.
you have to explain yourself. Uthe explain lapha but you really have to explain yourself. But with people, yazi mina ngumjito wegazi and as amajito amaya usually kulale statement. M2 skippani ushap
Sharp.
bathini. Do you know what's my reply when someone says bathini?
But
Ambalaleli mina che. Bayanya.
bayanya.
Avela ngisoze mbalalele. Abantu bazohlala belombono bazohlala bele idea. But then there's you mntu. La wakho umbono pusha wona wakho umbono.
Uqakathekile.
Bawuthanda abangawuthandiyo kabawuthandi kathesi they are gonna catch up.
Mina I always say less successful artists and use the available template to shine. But real artists, brah, share themselves, share their own inner selves
With the audience.
with the audience. That's why we have this particular golfer. Everyone is doing this. This is bullshit.
You might find out. You
Understand?
might
This
find
is unique.
you might find out with maybe I don't even fucks with the golfer. But
If you don't fuck with the golfers.
no, I'm just saying you might. Kathi wena
Ngiyawazi umayithu ngu-either or.
la wafunde emqombothi njengami.
Anama-Gaffelan.
Oh yeah,
Either
you
or.
came from- hey, he's good as
That
good.
guy is less colored mina.
Ish.
Phela umayithu ngu-either or. You know, we have to represent our show.
Indaba it's
But do you have Iranian?
kwakumnandi kusase yithi senzela thina but now sesenzela abantu but abantu now asisabalaleli because abantu singalalela wona silalelwa do you know ukuthi if we were a brand we are actually a brand ethandwa ngabantu but we are not a brand eyenzela abantu si brand eyenzela thina then if abantu they like it they are gonna like
You know what's art?
it but if sasenzela abantu we would have what other color oyaziyo khona existayo but ongaza kuyibona we would have a t-shirt ele whatever kumbe guava kumbe kuyini because ngumuntu uthe mina I want guava and then mina I believe my t-shirt ele guava and this is gonna be like that but umuntu lwana is not Juluka. He's Juluka because he likes Juluka but they are not.
He's not in. He
That's
or
what
she is not in
Shizio.
sync. Singakhohlwa first it's a women's month.
Sabathanda.
And
then
Sabathanda.
hayi mina ngathi ngiyathanda abafazi ngiyabe sengirong.
Mamazi,
Ngithanda umama
lutshaye,
swami.
luthanda abafazi.
Ngithanda umama swami lo mamami. Labo dadewethu.
Ugogo ke.
Aba around me. Angithi laba abadlula bezothenga. Abazothenga kambathandi ngitsho send.
Girl next door.
ambukela ama-movie akhuluma kakhulu ngesikhiwo ngoba siyagcina sesingikhuda yazi mina enye into engikhutha kakhulu ikwini ama-subtitles check laphana nisabala ukuthi then you did this and that then mina i-screen
sesiphumile sesikukhuthile chomlami yazi in conversation le mnandi I'll definitely need you back manje producer uthe ishow yethu Thailand it's called creative currency. We'll definitely need more of you la. The reason why it's more of you. The reason why I'm saying more of you.
Siyakwanisa futhi ukwenza enye episode eMatopo Chini.
Yes.
If you are down.
Tina, we are said the reason why I said I need more of you. I feel like there's a lot you want to say, but it's katasis for me. But let me give you blessings, Mtala.
Hey.
Yabona, because of this product and Mtala, this is unique, this is different, and I feel like I'm not saying change or what. I feel like you're underpricing this thing. Because me, personally, I wouldn't mind buying this for $50. I wouldn't mind buying this for $100. Because at the end of the day, you can have 1,000 people that can't even spend $1 on this. You'd rather have one person that can spend 1,000 on this. That's how I
that's
measure business.
exclusivity. That's Bulawayo. But I want to answer that. I really think Tina, in a way, we structured our business. We're still in a phase where we're trying to get people to know us, but I kind of feel like maybe people now know us and we're still on getting people to know us, but
you don't need to
on getting people to know the brand. Our idea is people who get people to know our brand, then now we're gonna come through.
You don't need to be known. Look at Hinde. Gokta was going to pay 500.
Bro, we were there.
Was going to pay 50.
We were there.
Was the event empty? Look at Chill and Chin. I mean Chill and Chin. Sorry. Chin. Look at Chill and Chin, Mdala. Go up to a King's Crawl, get to Raland.
Hey, it's a lot that I've been schooled on from this episode.
You understand?
Yeah.
Now, Ibulawayo is into, I feel like, okay.
No, Bulawayo is into exclusivity.
I believe what Bulawanda by 3 of Bulawayo. And Gulat. Kubelantu labana we can afford. Kubelantu labana
Tina we cannot afford. Ilati afford. M2. Shout outs to the creative
culture currency.
yeah. Shout outs to Mtaza, shout outs to Mtu, shout outs to
Uma editor se complain.
comrades. Yim lapa and the yim lapa SM Valley show. Wawubona ngaphi? Ungene emzini ucina usithi ubaba yalale sofeni unwela lempedeni. Yisibhinqa
And uchiyo
and mina ngifuna ukudla iqatha iqolo mina yime ngitheba ngeqolo.